Welcome to the Resairchia YouTube channel. My name is Jorge, and in this video I will show you how to use external C code with your functions and models. Start by creating a new class and choose Packets. Give it a name, but this time uncheck Save Contents in one file. I will show you later on why we uncheck this option. Create another package inside this package, again with the Save Contents in one file unchecked. Create another package, but this time keep the Save Contents in one file option checked. Now, right-click at the top level and save. Now, go to the folder where you saved the external functions package. In this case, you will see that in opposition to previous times where we saved the package as a whole, this time we have different files. If you open the package order file, you will see the packages that are inside our external functions package. In this case, functions C. If you go inside the folder of that package, we will find again a package order and the package called examples that we have created. This structure is more convenient when you want to maintain a library in, for instance, GitHub. Go back to open Modelica now. Now, we need to create a function capable of calling our external C code. For doing so, we will create a new function. I will name it x to power n. And we will write the code as follows. We will need a real input x and we will need a real input n. I recommend adding a comment to the function as a short description for using it. We also need an output real variable with the result of our computation. In order to make use of external C code, you need to write external C to indicate that we will use external C code, and then make use of annotations. First, we need to write the directory where our C code can be found. This will be the path to the folder where our C code file can be found. We don't have the folder resources yet, but we will create it in the next step. Now we need to also include the name of our file in this way. Save now. And I want to mention here that we save our packages in the way we did at the beginning of the video, because when we use this call to our path, Modelica will check for packages. So we ensure that we check properly. Now, back in our functions C folder, you can see that I have already created the resources folder. I recommend using resources as a name for this folder because it's an standard Modelica convention. Here I have my C file. The name of this file is what we wrote previously in the video. In this file, I have included two functions, x to power n and sum. What they do is pretty obvious, so I won't stop on that. However, something important to remember is that the name of these functions must be the same name that we use in the Modelica code. Now, if you go back to your code, you can create now in your examples package a new model. Let's add some variables and parameters and call to our external function. Check your model and simulate. Now you can see how our variable y is x to the power of 3. Let's try now with the sum function. We can copy the code in the function x to power n, create a new function, and remember to give it the same name as in the C code file. Add another variable and call your sum function. Our new variable set is the result of the two input values. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.